Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Ball FighterZ on Android. First, understand that this game is not natively available on mobile platforms, so we'll be using emulation. This process requires a relatively powerful Android device to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. We'll cover the necessary steps to get you battling with your favorite characters on the go. Let's dive into the details. To begin, you'll need a Nintendo Switch emulator for Android. Yuzu and Citron are popular choices that can run Dragon Ball FighterZ. Before downloading, check that your Android device meets the emulator's system requirements for optimal performance. Once you've selected an emulator, download its APK file from a reputable source and proceed with the installation on your smartphone or tablet. This sets the foundation for your mobile gaming. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on playing Dragon Ball FighterZ helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: playing intense fighting games can make you thirsty. Stay hydrated and focused with an O-Ala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold and within reach. You can find a link to the O-Ala bottle and other awesome deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After installing the emulator, you'll need to acquire the Dragon Ball FighterZ game ROM. Remember to always obtain game files legally. Next, open your emulator and configure its settings. Adjust resolution, frame skipping, and other graphics options to balance visual quality with performance. For the best gameplay, connect a Bluetooth gamepad to your Android device, as touch controls can be challenging for a fast-paced fighting game.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.